Assalamu alaikum, welcome everybody to Practical Numerical Methods for Scientists and Engineers. We are still in Module 3, Roots of Single Equation, and today we'll have a look on built-in functions that can be used for in finding the roots of single equation in MATLAB. Here we will use two built-in functions, f0 and roots. So we'll start with f0. f0 have two ways. You can use f0 for bracketing method as a bracketing method, or you can f0 as opening method. So the syntax of f0 function, f0 and then open parentheses, then add x, put equation, comma, put the initial guess. So this will use the open method to find the root. If you use f0 and then open parentheses, put your equation and then put the variables into brackets. So this means you are telling the MATLAB to use the bracket methods to find the root. Okay, here you should pay attention, because if you use this one, the intervals must have different signs. Okay, different sign solution, not the intervals have different signs, so the solution should have different signs, otherwise it gives an error message. Okay, so let's try this one. Okay, use f0 built-in function to find the root of the following equation using both open and bracketing methods. Here for open method, f0 and then we put the equation, comma 2. Okay, for bracketing method 2 and 4. Of course, the intervals will be given in the questions. Okay, but if we, for example, instead of put 2 and 4, we put 0 and 1. So if they have the solution have negative signs, so the error will appear using f0 line. The function values must differ in sign. Okay, now if you want to show all the iterations of the f0, okay, instead of getting only the final solution, you want to show iterations. So you have another interesting function called Optimist. So now here we can put f0, add and put the equations, okay, and then put the iteration, okay, the interval, and then we can put variable. We will define it here. This variable is a function Optimist, display and iteration. So that means the function f0 will show all iterations, a and b, and function of a and function of b, and also the function will tell you the procedure, type of procedures. This is search, interpolation. So it finds the way of procedure, and then this is the final solution will be 1.9484. Try it yourself, you'll find it very interesting. Now for roots, it's easy as well. So here roots, you can put a3, a2, a1, a dot, okay, and then roots x. Or you can define roots between parentheses and put them. Okay, but this is the most easiest way. So define x, put or intervals, or or the function, okay, and then roots x. Example: find the roots of the following equation using roots function in MATLAB. Okay, 0.9x, 5.9, 10, and minus 6. It's important that if the coefficients are not in order, you should put them in order. You should start by the maximum and lower and lower and lower. For that one is not there, it will be 0. Okay, for example, if you have 0.95 and you don't have this one, and you have this one and you don't have this one, okay, then it will be f will be 0.59, then it will be 0, then it will be 9.8, this will be 0, then root f. Okay, so that's all about today tutorial. Thank you and see you in next time.